Let's say already have configured your Visual Studio Code to GitLab, GitLab with Buddy, and Buddy to your WordPress instance at Virtuozzo. Now we'll go to your code with Visual Studio Code. Here you do commit your changes. For example, name it new commit. Then push it to GitLab. You will then see that the code is on GitLab. A few seconds later, Buddy will get your repository and clone it automatically to all of your WordPress instances at once. I think you already know how to connect your Visual Studio Code to GitLab repro. First, go to your WordPress instance via web SSH. Create your SSH keys and copy the public key. Add your public key to GitLab by copying with a sensible name what you can remember. I'll choose the domain of the WordPress instance. Now your WordPress instance is allowed to get the repro from GitLab. So go back to your WordPress instance and into the plugins folder to git clone your repo once. Commit the clone to create the known hosts file, which will be then saved in your SSH folder. Now you can go to your Buddy. For easier understanding, I'll duplicate one of the existing pipelines. Then at the Settings tab, rename it to the domain of your WordPress instance. Now click on the Actions tab. Then click on the pipeline to change the relevant settings. First you'll see the run command, which will be executed after the connection to your WordPress instance. Here I'll first delete everything from the plugin. Then I'll clone the updated repo. At the Target tab, click on the Login field and update the login from your WordPress instance. You get the login from your WordPress instance when you choose Settings and then SSH Access. Grab the username here and update it by copying it into the pipeline. Now you can run your pipeline. The last thing you need to do is to activate your new plugin once.